So, good evening, sir. So, we are the group assigned to Customer Relationship Management 1. So, by the way, I am Marcelo Jimenez Jr. I am the leader of this group, and we are presenting now our final project uh, for this system or this app. Uh, so, let me show you our uh, project first. So, this is our design. So, customer relationship management, and then first is to run this file. So here is our interface of our uh, project. So first is the add data. So I will let my group mates to explain some of the parts of this uh, system. First is we will explain to you about the add data button. So Saira.
So, hello, good evening, sir. I'm Syra Alampayan, and try natin i-add yung mga details para okay. So, sa name, Rose Almorgia, then 19, then the number 0963947745. Then address Taguluan. Then the email address is Roseanne. Female. Then the salary will be random salary. Then add natin. Then create tayo ng isa. Then Tyrone Verano. 25. 096311962125. Then Balingasag. Then Tyrone. Then male. The salary, random salary. Add natin. Okay. Then, punta tayo sa code. Go to events, action, then action form. Then, okay. The variable type na ginamit natin, which is string. Then, the variable name natin is data. So, whatever you put it there will be stored in particle variable. Then, create tayo ng table. So, to be utilized in each row. Then, JTable1 yung ginamit natin kasi yun yung name ng table. Then, tsaka nag-add row tayo coming from a table. So, that's all.
So, before anything else, let me introduce you myself first. I am Carl Verano, and ngayon ay ipapakita namin kung paano paano mag-work pag once i-click mo yung data from table at lalabas yung new frame niya or yung selected data, which is um, yung specific lang. So Ayan, yan yung mga example na ginawa kanina, yung Rose Ann tsaka Tyron. So let's choose Rose Ann for an gawa natin example. So ayan, after clinic, no, ay merong lalabas na new frame which is makikita natin yung data na um, ginawa or in-input kanina. So, yung code dyan, pag yung code dyan, no, is from the mouse click or from the table. So, ayan, papakita natin. Ayan. So, we're using, ano, no, mouse click. And then, the, also, we also using string and the model of the table. And also, makikita rin natin yung mga name, mga age, phone number dyan. And also, we put set, no, para never we, add another data is automatic na mawawala yung data. And yun lang po.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. I am the undersea Chupis. I am the responsible explaining about the update function. So let's go to in our output. As you can see here, we already put data in the table. So we're going to click Tyron Verano. As you can see, it's already displayed in the name, age, phone number, address, email, gender, and salary. So we're going to change that. So first in name, let's put it Don, age 21. Let's put some random numbers, and address is Kogman. And email address will be example.com at that at gmail.com. Gender male. So the salary will put some random salary. If we click update, it will pop up some message dialog that already it says that we already update the data. So as you can see in table, sir, the data that we selected is already updated. So let's go in the code. As you can see here, we're using if else code and some strings. And the G option that we're using and that can tell us that the data that we selected is already updated. And the else that if we update the data that we updated, it will automatically delete it. So that's all, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. My name is Rosan B. Morhia. So I was assigned to show the delete function. So let me show the delete function. So here's the details that already uploaded in the table. So let me click the Rosan and try to delete these details. As you can see, there's a pop-up message if you deleted the one's details. So next we should uh, move into a code. So, so here's the code that we use. We use F for the G table and G option pin for the message that show when we deleted the one's these details. Else is for the row in the G tables and G option another message for the empty or tables is already empty. And that's all, sir.
So, good evening once again, sir. So, I am Jose Jimenez Jr. So, I will show you the function of the search button or the search bar. So, first is we'll try to add more details here so that we can totally show you the function of this search bar. Then let's add one. And here, so as you can see, there are three details in the table. So to uh, to show on how the search function will work, first is to search for the name of the customer that we should search in the table. So, for example, we will search for Rose Ann. So, as you can see, sir, the only name or the only details that showed in the table is only Rose Ann. But if we try to search Syra, so it will automatic uh, display the details of Syra in the table. So now is to show you the code of this search bar. So here, so the code was placed in the text field, and the events we used carry list for the search bar. So this is the code, sir, that we used. So default table model, which is the table, and then table row sorter. So this code, this is the one that we used for the search bar button. So, and maybe that's also for our project. And good night and thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. God bless.
Thank you, sir. Merry Christmas.
Goodbye, sir.